This video is meant to be a beacon of wisdom for those who, despite their best intentions, sometimes find themselves in over their heads. Our goal is to save you precious time and hard-earned money, steering you away from costly missteps. Allow me to share a story from my own experience, a costly mistake that could have been easily avoided. This blunder not only drained our pockets but also created a cascade of problems that seemed never-ending. Our tale revolves around my family's home on my mother's side. Nestled on a hillside, it's a quaint dwelling with a modest basement and a single story above ground. It shares its space with a spacious storage room on the same level and beneath the same sturdy roof. This charming house has been in our family for generations, built with a mix of wooden columns, walls, and floors. But what sets it apart is its impressive roof, a marvel of large stone plates resting on sturdy wooden supports. Everything was running smoothly until my cousin and I became the stewards of this family legacy. My cousin, in his eagerness to surprise us all, embarked on a renovation journey that would leave us astounded, but not in the best way. He went to great lengths, installing suspended walls to rectify uneven surfaces and angles. In the hollow spaces, he packed heat insulation, and he didn't stop there. The old wooden doors and windows made way for modern PVC replacements. All these changes seemed like steps in the right direction until he decided that the stone plate roof had to go. Instead of consulting with me, a civil engineer, or to hire a contractor, he enlisted the help of a friend. Little did we know what was about to unfold. He was convinced that swapping out those sturdy stone plates for PVC sheets was a brilliant idea. The renovation was completed, and he proudly handed me the invoice, although I was seething inside because he hadn't sought my expertise beforehand. I couldn't inspect the work in person, so he sent me a few pictures. That's when my anger reached its peak. I told him he was fortunate I had already paid him because, had I seen the roof first, I wouldn't have. He was bewildered, unable to grasp what was wrong. That's when I advised him to consult with a reputable contractor rather than relying on his so-called friend. The truth hit him like a ton of bricks. PVC sheets were suitable for porches and sheds, not our roof, especially in the mountain, in our climate. The consequences of this decision came pouring down like the hailstorm that followed. We were left with over a dozen leaks, and since it was late autumn, there was no time for immediate repairs. The following spring brought even more damage, with over 50 holes in the roof. The persistent leaks wreaked havoc on our newly renovated walls and even ruined most of our furniture. Money had been poured down the drain, and the situation seemed dire. And all this could have easily been avoided. I apologize for the lengthy story, but the heart of this video is crystal clear. Always work with professionals. They're professionals for a reason. Just because something looks good somewhere doesn't mean it's the right solution for you. That's all for today. If you've ever found yourself in a similar predicament, please share your story in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this content, consider supporting our channel by hitting that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.